Hi guys, so today I'll be trying this remedy for dark knuckles, dark knees, dark elbows, dark toes and all of that. So according to what I've seen online, it's just two ingredients you need, which is baking soda and lime. So I'll be showing you how to mix the both of them, and I'll be showing you how to apply them, and we would see together if truly it would work or it will actually clear my dark my dark knuckles or thighs or elbows and all of that. So stay with me in this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, also don't forget to subscribe if you've not. So yeah, all you need is lime and baking soda again. So let's do this. First I'll be adding enough baking soda to this. Then I'll be cutting my lime and squeezing out the juice from it. So now I'm just going to pour this in. You can see the way it's foaming. Ooh, this is scary. So now we'll be using the lime. So I'm just going to scrub this for like 30 minutes so it works well, because according to what I saw online, everything is supposed to be the same color with my remaining part of the fingers after this scrubbing. So let us see if truly that is going to happen. Please don't forget to like, and don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to scrub this also for like 20 to 30 minutes so that it works well, so that it won't be that I didn't scrub it long enough, that's why the thing didn't work. So I'll be scrubbing it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Please don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you. After cleaning and creaming, what do you think? Do you think it worked? Like, I don't know. did. So I'm just going to rinse. I'm just going to clean my hands, and I'm going to rub cream on it. And let me see if it's actually worked through. So I think I need to try this again for it to work, because I'm not sure this thing works like magic, because to me I don't think it worked. Or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I scrubbed this. I didn't scrub this. So do you think there's any difference?